This is your chance to secure your own slice of luxury set within the prestigious Champions Gate Resort. Professionally furnished and decorated throughout, this stunning property would make the ideal home or short-term rental with thousands of dollars in reservations already secured for 2022 and 2023. The spacious layout is light-filled and comfortable with a generous open concept kitchen, dining and living space that connects effortlessly to the covered poolside porch. Endless hours of fun will be spent soaking up the sunshine or splashing in the pool as you host your guests in style. One bedroom is set on the lower level, while upstairs you'll find a washer, dryer, and 3 bedrooms, including the luxurious master. The list of extra features includes ceramic flooring in the wet areas, neutral color tones throughout, and quality finishes. The Champions Gate Resort is a 24-hour gated community with 2 18-hole championship Greg Norman golf courses and a clubhouse with swimming pools, a lazy river, a splash park, water slides, a fitness center, and much more. Easy access to Walt Disney World shopping, restaurants, and I-4 make this an opportunity too good to miss.